Hello everyone. We the students of classes 3 to 5 have got the golden opportunity to present today's assembly on the occasion of Christmas and New Year.
To start our day with the right, positive and motivating attitude, let's have our friend for the thought of the day.
A very good morning to all. Christmas invokes the spirit of joy and happiness and family get-together among people. New Year symbolizes motivation for many new beginnings. So let's welcome New Year 2022 with an inspirational thought. Although no one can go back and make a brand new start, anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. Thank you.
Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25th. The festival marks the celebration of the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ. His birthday is one of the most joyous ceremonies amongst Christians. The festival is one of the most enjoyed festivals all over the globe.
Now our friend is going to tell us more about Christmas.
Christmas is a great, joyful festival of Christianity. On this day, people celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, who was the founder of Christianity. Jesus Christ was born on 25th December at the place of Bethlehem. Jesus Christ is worshipped as the Messiah of God in Christian mythology. Christmas is a festival full of culture and tradition. Preparations for Christmas start early for most people. The celebration begins with decorating a Christmas tree. Traditionally, gifts are hidden in socks under the tree. People on this day visit churches with their families and friends and light candles in front of the idol of Jesus Christ. It is believed that Jesus Christ, the Son of God, came to the earth on this day to end people's sufferings and miseries. As every ending has a new beginning, let's hope for a happy Christmas and a better new year.
Christmas is indeed a magical festival which is all about sharing joy and happiness. And definitely it's incomplete without a Santa Claus. It is an old belief that a saint named Santa Claus comes in the night of the Christmas Eve and hides presents for the kids. So now we welcome our virtual Santa Claus amid COVID along with the students of class 3 who are going to present a beautiful dance performance before us all.
Ha 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 ha! Merry Christmas! Look! What am I wearing? A mask! And I have a common gift for you all this time. What is it? What is it? Oh, sanitizers! This is the best gift this Christmas. But don't worry, I have many more gifts for you all. Let's pray to take the darkness away and spread the light of hope for the new year.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Thank you, friends, and our dear Santa, for giving a smile on everyone's face for a wonderful performance.
Children sing Christmas carols, marking the celebration of the auspicious day and welcoming the new year.
So, what are we waiting for? We now welcome Class 4 choir group to present a melodious Christmas carol before us all.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some food pudding and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We want so much to get some. We want so much to get some. We want so much to get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all like a figgy pudding. We all like a figgy pudding. We all like a figgy pudding with all its good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you, friends. It was such a melodious performance. These days, Christmas is often celebrated along with the New Year festivities. New Year is merely a way of welcoming the new and saying goodbye to the old.
Each new year offers an exciting opportunity for a fresh start and new beginnings. It's that time again where we are all excited about new beginnings, new hopes, and the whole new year.
The first step towards getting somewhere else is to decide you're not going to stay where you are. Like every year, we all need to make a few promises to ourselves and stick around to our resolutions.
So this time, let's welcome 2022 with these attainable goals that we can focus on. Now, we would like to end our assembly with few New Year resolutions. The students of Class 5 are going to enlighten us on the same. We all know that after Christmas, we welcome new beginnings, a whole new year with new hopes, new charm, new challenges, and a new resolution. As we usher in the new year, let's promise to be a good human being. A human being full of virtues but no vices. But what are virtues? Does anybody know? Let me help you. Virtues are the good values and right actions in one's behavior. Our virtues are shown by the way we treat people. So today, let's hear it from the virtues themselves and pledge to begin the upcoming year by learning how to be a good human being.
Hi there, I'm Faith. Faith, which means belief and assurance. Faith is the confidence in what we hope for and the assurance that God is working for our good. Even though we cannot see it, faith knows that no matter what the situation is, God is always working in it.
Good morning. I hope everyone out there is healthy and happy. I am a long lost friend. Remember me? No problem. I'm kindness. I have taught you to be generous, friendly, and considerate. Being kind helps boost the immune system, reduce blood pressure, stress, and anxiety. The Dalai Lama has also said, be kind whenever possible. It is always possible.
Good
morning everyone. I extend my greetings and welcome you all. Tell me, what is charity? Have you heard of it? It is a virtue. Charity means being generous with our presence, time and money. Charity allows us to give freely without expecting anything in return. It can be as simple as to give someone a smile, or it can be expressed on a larger scale through raising funds. It applies not just to our personal relationships with other people but also extends to things, animals, plants and the environment.
I'm Honesty. Have you heard my name ever? Yes, but have you practiced me often? It is a virtue. Honesty is being truthful. Honesty is the foundation of any well-working relationship, regardless of relation, whether it's with parents, friends, siblings or teacher. An honest person has nothing to hide and nothing to worry about since his or her conscience is clear.
Hello friends, thank you for coming here and waiting for me. And gratitude. Gratitude? What is gratitude? It is a positive emotion that involves being thankful and appreciative. The practice of gratitude can have significant positive impact on both physical and mental health, which includes better sleep, higher self-esteem, better immunity and stronger relationships.
The more we grow in love, virtue and holiness, the more we see love, virtue and holiness outside. So let's pledge to be a person who is not just good looking, but most importantly, good at heart.
I promise to keep faith in every phase of life, in God and in goodness. Having said that, let's have faith that the sorrows and miseries that we have faced in the last years will come to an end soon.
I promise to be kind to animals, birds and mankind. I promise to spread love.
I promise to be generous with my presence, time and money, and I also promise to help those in need and not to be greedy.
I promise to be honest throughout my life, no matter what the situation is, and follow the path of truth.
I promise to be grateful for everything that I have and wish to have.
Don't you think these were some really good promises to start our new year with? So I'm hoping that you also promise yourselves to be a good student, a good son, a good daughter, and most importantly, a good human being. At the end, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very happy and prosperous New Year. May the upcoming year be full of happiness, health, and hope. Good luck!
Thank you, friends. Hopefully these all little tips will help us have a wonderful year ahead. New year, a new chapter, new verse, or the same old story. Ultimately, we write it and the choice is ours.
Ring out the old, ring in the new. Ring happy bells across the snow. The year is going, let it go. Ring out the false, ring in the true. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.